Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all enjoyed the first and second part of our road trip, and here is the final part. On our sixth day of road trip, we were heading to Chikmagalur via Kundapur Agumbe. On the way, we visited the waterfalls, which is inside the forest area. I actually got to know about this place from one of my friend. While we were going at some point of time after traveling around a kilometer or two, we all felt like there is no waterfalls because we neither heard any sound nor seen any people around us. But we felt so good after reaching that place. It was in the middle of the forest and it was very beautiful, as you can see. And this is a cascading waterfalls which is very safe in terms of depth and water flow. We just went downstairs to the falls, and you can see the water flow is not so fast. Also, the depth was not more than 3 feet. Guys, look at the purity of the water, the clearest water where you can see the sand particles and also very tiny fishes. We were all so happy because all these days of our road trip we played in the seawater, and finally at the end we came to this clearest water to play. And also it was like a private falls because except us there was no one around. At the end, while we were going back, there was a family going to the waterfalls. We all played in the water for almost an hour or two and again continued our journey. Guys, look at the narrow roads. Literally, there was no place for the other vehicle to pass through. On the way, we had to cross this water area. Look at it. Again, this was one of the memorable experience, guys. It was so good. And now we are heading to see the sunset viewpoint in Agumbe Ghat section. Trust me, one must experience the driving in Agumbe Ghat section and you will definitely love it. But unfortunately, we couldn't reach on time. It was a bit late. I could say 10 minutes and we couldn't see the sunset. But again, this view from the peak was really spectacular. And now we are going to Chikmagalur where we booked the homestay. It's 31st night and we are all set to welcome 2021 with new vibes. Stay was also decent and we welcomed 2021 with all the bash. In the morning, the cook prepared akki roti, which is one of my favorite. Now we are heading to our viewpoint. On the way, we saw these peacocks. And it's Mallandur viewpoint, which is 20 km away from Chikmagalur. The view was so beautiful. We missed Agumbe sunset, but we enjoyed Mallandur sunset point. If you have a plan to visit to Chikmagalur, do visit the sunset viewpoint place. It's really good. Now it's time to pack up. On 2nd Jan, we plan to come back to Bangalore. Before that, let me show you all the homestay. This Malnad Blossom homestay is on roadside. The owner stays in the same place. We took a dormitory since we were 7 people, and look at this mess, guys. We packed all these and started our journey to Belur. You all must visit this historical place. Definitely you will love this.
Shiva
We
having
hired a
16
guide, and
hands. In
you
each
can
hand
see him
notice
explaining about the
types of
different sculptures here.
This is King Cobra and the Queen Cobra, snake gods. Shiva here as Bhairava. See the footwear of Shiva wearing, it is like high heels.
The architecture was so beautiful, and you must all visit this Channakeshava temple. Finally, we reached back Bangalore in the night, and that's all about this road trip, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant updates on new videos.